Hi, I'm Attorney General Bob Ferguson. I know what it's like to be a locally elected official. Before becoming Attorney General, I served for 9 years as a locally elected official in King County. With me today is my Open Government Assistant Attorney General, Nancy Creer.
We are here today during National Sunshine Week to share with you the top 3 reasons you, as a locally elected official, should care about public records.
Let's start with reason number 1. It's the law. The Public Records Act was approved by the people of Washington State as an initiative in 1972, providing public access to the records of government agencies. It received 72% of the vote. The purpose of the act is twofold. First, to provide the public full access to information concerning the conduct of government, mindful of individuals' privacy rights. And second, to fulfill the desire for the efficient administration of government. The law is based on the principle that open government is essential for a free society. All state and local agencies must comply with the Public Records Act. All public records must be disclosed unless otherwise deemed exempt. It's the law.
Reason number 2, legal defense. When local governments don't follow the public records law, they can be sued. The Washington Supreme Court has said an agency public records compliance is only as strong as its weakest link. So paying attention to public records laws can help keep you out of court. If your local government does find itself in court, it's important to know the state Supreme Court has ruled that if agencies have provided adequate training on public records, that may be a mitigating factor when assessing penalties. Conversely, the court has ruled that lack of training may be an aggravating factor. So training on public records compliance not only provides a legal defense, it could save your agencies thousands of dollars in penalties.
Finally, reason number 3, you should care about public records. New legislation. Recently, the state legislature approved a bill I requested requiring mandatory training on the Public Records and Open Public Meetings Act for most public officials and agency public records officers. This bill helps us all to do our part to promote government transparency and prevent public records lawsuits. The Attorney General's office has developed new curriculum to provide this training to you in a free and convenient manner. The new legislation goes into effect on July 1st, 2014, and just like you, I'll be taking the required training too. In the meantime, Nancy will develop a frequently asked questions document to help everyone understand the new law.
So stay tuned in the days and weeks to come as we provide more guidance and best practices for complying with the Public Records Act. And be sure to check out our Open Government tab on the Attorney General's Office website at atg.wa.gov.
Thank you for joining us today. I'm Attorney General Bob Ferguson, and on behalf of myself and my Open Government AAG, Nancy Creer, thank you for your interest in public record law and enhancing the public's access to information.